alfalfa, and do any of you notice the difference with the alfalfa field after you mowed it down? Comment below. Down finger.
Flower changing 5 miles an hour on my international harvester. 3 miles of cars laying on their horns, falling on deaf ears of corn, lined up behind me like a big parade. Late to work, road rage jerk, shouting obscene words, flipping me the bird. Well, you may be on the state paper,